Let's be honest, between your Mini and your smartphone, there's a lot of communication going on behind the scenes, and it can get a bit confusing. So here's how to know who's actually paying attention when you say hey. If you're talking to the car, say, "Hey Mini." That's your go-to for anything that happens by Mini. You can say, "Hey Mini," to set your destination if using the in-car navigation. Use Mini to change the cabin temperature, warm your seat, or even turn on the seat massage. You can also ask Mini to make a Bluetooth call or adjust features like the head-up display. The benefit to asking Mini is that it's all hands-free. Hey Mini listens through the car's built-in microphone. Instead of saying "Hey Mini," you could also do a quick press of the microphone button on your steering wheel if you prefer a quick tap instead of the wake word. Now, if you want to chat with Siri or Google Assistant, you'll say "Hey Siri" or "Hey Google" instead. That's your digital sidekick for everything phone-related. Great if you're using phone apps like Apple or Google Maps, Waze, or sending a text and making a call through CarPlay or Android Auto. And like Hey Mini, you can do a long press of the microphone button to trigger Siri or Google Assistant if you've already configured it to do so. Since CarPlay and Android Auto operate through Wi-Fi and Hey Mini runs through Bluetooth, they work together right on your infotainment screen, so it does feel seamless. It's the perfect partnership. Mini keeps you comfortable and helps manage the drive, while your smartphone assistant keeps you connected. So go on, tell your Mini what you want. It's not just the ride anymore, it's part of the chat. Want to learn more? Check out the next video in our how-to series.